Welcome to The Explainer. Today, we're going to break down a simple roadmap for anyone just starting out.
So why do so many new traders fail? Well, it's pretty simple. They get trapped.
This chaos just leads to blown accounts and tons of frustration. But there is a better way.
Okay, first step is a huge mindset shift. You have to stop chasing money and start building a process.
Right. Think of it like this. An athlete focuses on practice, not just staring at the scoreboard.
See, the real game is building the right habits. You do that, and the money just follows.
Okay, so where do you even start? Well, you have to learn the language of the market first. First up, candlesticks. Green means the price went up. Red means it went down. That's it.
Then you've got support and resistance. Think floors and ceilings. These are key for building your strategy.
You only need one simple strategy. No gut feelings. The rules have to be black and white.
Here's a 4-step strategy you can practice today. Let's break it down real quick.
The key is this special pattern called a fair value gap. It tells you the big money is moving.
But here's the most important rule. Managing your risk. Always aim for a 2-to-1 reward.
Your whole strategy should fit on a business card. Go ahead, screenshot this. These are your rules.
All right, you've got the strategy. So how do you practice without betting the farm?
Honestly, demo trading builds bad habits. Prop firm accounts are a much smarter way to start.
The idea is to get real market experience, but with really small personal risk while you're learning. And as you practice, you have to journal every single trade. If you don't track it, you're just guessing.
Now, following this process is everything. But you can still fail if you make these common mistakes.
Avoid strategy hopping, inconsistent risk, and revenge trading. Remember to focus on the process, not just profit.
And that's what it all comes down to. Are you building a real professional process, or are you just gambling?